Now the next instrument that we are going to talk about is a hot air oven. Now as the name suggests that this is a kind of device in which, because of the hot air which is being circulated inside the instrument, the temperature rises and then whatever the sample that you will keep inside will get dried. Now in case of food analysis, there might be some analysis where you have to dry any sample. Maybe it is a food sample which you need to dry. It might happen when you are doing the analysis of moisture. So in such type of cases, you can keep the sample inside at the required temperature and then you can dry the sample. Then sometime even the glasswares which you require in order to like do some analysis, you might need some glassware which you have recently washed. So again for that also, in order to dry those glasswares so that you can use those in the analysis also, you can keep those glasswares inside this oven. Now let me show you what is this like the operation panel or the control panel that has been given in this instrument. So here, as you can see, you have a thermoregulator, that means the regulator with which you can set the temperature. So in this particular instrument, the temperature range, it is from 50 degree to 300 degree, that means anything in between you can set it. Now this is the main switch, so our main power supply. So when you turn it on or turn it off, the instrument will function. Now as soon as you turn it on, this main indicator, which is the red one, which is quite similar in almost all these instruments, this will get turned on, and this is the thermostat indicator. That means it will show whether the temperature, like the temperature it is working or not. That means it is like it is connected with a sensor of so that if the sensor can understand that the temperature is changing, so in that case only this will like this will be turned on. Okay, so the green light indicator you can see. Now also one more thing is, here you can see the thermometer which has been given. Okay, so this by seeing this also you can know at present what is the temperature, or if the temperature if the temperature is rising. So if you see this thermometer or the sensor of the temperature, it is given inside. So here you can see, I am not sure if you can see, here is the thermometer head. Okay, so by this by this it can sense what is the temperature inside. So that is the thing, and this is the interior where you have this aluminum tray. So based on your requirement, you can increase or decrease the number of plates or the trays that you are keeping inside. Okay, so this is about the hot air oven. So this is a small hot air oven where you cannot see the circulating fan. Otherwise, if it is a big instrument where like the temperature, in order to like circulate the temperature inside the instrument, there you can also see that some in the instruments it will be provided with a fan. So that fan is also visible, where whenever the heat gets generated by the help of this fan, the air enter in the inside in the oven, the air gets circulated by the help of this fan. But in this, since it is a small device, so the fan is not being given. Otherwise, in many of the hot air oven, if it is a big instrument, then you can also see the fan which helps in circulation of the hot air. So this is about the hot air oven.